Alright guys, welcome again. In this lecture we will learn about what is Django. Django is an open source Python web framework that is used to develop a fast, maintainable with clean design and a secure web application. One thing to keep in mind, Django is not a programming language, it's a framework. Okay, what is framework? Well, in simple words, framework is a platform for developing software applications. These frameworks contain different libraries, packages, and other pre-built programs that you can use in the development process, which makes you easier to develop software applications. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to build a registration and login functionality. So to do this, we have many ways, right? If you don't want to use framework, then you will have to write code for each and every part of this login and registration functionality. Like you have to create a login registration forms, take user inputs, write database query to store data, again write query to authenticate the user for login, then again display the data into template manually. All these processes are very time consuming, and after you have done these many things and you get bugs, security issues, perhaps it's not scalable, right? The same functionality if we do using the framework, then we don't have to write select star from table name and all that stuff. We have many libraries included in the Django framework. So for this login and registration scenario, we have a Django package called user authentication. All you need to do is import that package into your project and use it. Then your login registration functionality is done. No bugs, no security issues, and it is highly secured and highly scalable. What I mean by scalable is that anytime if you want to extend the functionality, you can easily do that. That's why most software development companies always prefer the candidates with the knowledge of any framework. Alright, in the next lecture we will discuss about why should we use Django. Okay, thank you.